Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested figure card reading with charms. How the rest of 2021 will be, friends. Many of you requested this reading. Finally, it is here. I know it took me some time. You guys requested it last month. It took me time, so I'm sorry for that. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. I post every day, friends. So subscribe, like, and share. and also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And this is a timeless reading, friends. You can watch it anytime, and this is for the rest of 2021. How all the rest of the months will be in love, work, and career for you all, friends. And today's choices are amazing and very, very cute. So let's start the reading. Let's take a deep breath. Are you ready? One, two, and three. So let's take a deep breath and choose option number one. This very beautiful Ace of Wands. This very beautiful pinky card. I love the colors in these cards. Option number two. The beautiful Ace of Cups. Option number three. The beautiful Ace of Pentacles. So friends, relax and take a deep breath and choose option number one, option number two, option number three. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly choose from there. Also, you can watch the entire reading. You can choose more than one pile. So yes, friends, let's begin. Pile number one. I'm excited. I want to know what's happening next for you, friends, in the rest of the year. 2021. So this has already been a crazy year for everybody. It was expected, friends. It was expected. I will be doing the 2022 readings very, very soon. So yes, make sure to watch that out also. And for option number one, let us see what's coming. You know, what is the rest of the year has for you, holds for you. Ace of Wands. I feel some sort of a breakthrough, some sort of a passionate new start, some sort of an excitement is coming for you, and some new growth, new potential, like, money, new potential, new, how do you say, growth, fortune is coming for you, and it will make you feel excited, it will make you feel happy. These are your oracle messages and advice, and these are your tarot. Let's begin. So let us see what will happen in the rest of the year 2021 for you. Friends, I definitely feel right now you are going through a lot of challenges. Really, I feel at your work you're not happy. There is a lot of challenge. Even in your family or love relationship, there is a war, a conflict going on. You're not feeling very happy. There is a lot of competition if you are a student. So you are feeling the face of frustration, anger, emotions, you're not happy with the way things are going right now in your life, and this has been a tough year for you. The first 5 months or 6 months of the year has been very tough for you. You were like fighting against every challenge, and you had been very, very strong. I must congratulate you, friends. You are, this is your hand, this powerful hand. You had been very strong, these all this time in this year up till now. And right now also, friends, you are facing some sort of a challenge, some sort of a conflict. I feel it is happening for some of you in your work life, for others it is happening in your love life or family situations, but things will get better. That is what I feel. Things will definitely get better. If you are a student, there is a lot of competition where you are applying for a job or for your exams, but I feel that your hard work will be rewarded, because Ace of Wands is like you going after, you getting the award, you getting the passion, the recognition, let's see what else. So right now, the thing you need to do, friends, is not to give up on your dreams. In the rest of the 2021, your dreams will come true. There is a strong chance that what you want will happen in the coming months of the year 2021. So keep working on your dreams. Do not quit. Even if you are facing opposition or challenges right now, this is not the time to quit on your dreams, your goals, your ambitions, friends. You need to keep working on them, because you are very, very close to your victory. You are very close to achieving that love relationship or marriage or commitment or that job or that exam that you want to clear. You are very, very close. So go for it, friends. Do not quit. And I also feel, friends, this is a challenging time, or this year has been challenging for you, but it has also made you stronger. So you should focus on what you are learning from this year, not what has gone wrong or what is challenging, but focus on your strength, focus on your power, how strong you have become, how stronger you are. You are becoming like a wind, you are becoming unbeatable, unstoppable. So it's a great energy. So let us see how the rest of the year will be. Yes, I feel in the coming months you will be getting opportunities that you have missed, friends. A lot of you feel like you have missed the job you wanted, or the job offers are not coming, or you are really, really without any jobs right now. You don't have enough money, or you are not finding the right home. You keep moving or shifting, or you are just like, where is peace? Where is peace? Yes, the next 4 months, the next 6 months will definitely bring you peace. It will bring you what is missing from your life. Conflict right now, 6 months down the line, you will have peace. You will have happiness. You will be like, I can finally sit and relax and enjoy my life. And woohoo, you deserve it, friends. You have worked very, 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 very hard all this year. So you will be getting time to relax, enjoy your life, and there will be less challenges ahead in the coming few months. Also, whatever is missing from your life, that will be coming towards you, or you will have more opportunities of that. Like, you will have more job opportunities, you will also have more friends, or love proposals coming your way. Also, you will have more money coming your way, or whatever it was missing, like peace was missing, peace is coming for you. So you will have a lot of these things. Also, in the next 6 months, some of you will be working on what you have a lot of dreams right now. Some of you are like, you want to achieve this, you want everything. But 6 months down the line, or the rest of the year, you will be able to shortlist what, prioritize. I can't speak that word right now. Prioritize, oh my god. Does it happen with you, friends, while you are channeling? It happens with me sometimes when I'm channeling, when I'm deep into the channeling. Whew. It happens. You can't help it. It's a clear good sign that it's a good channeling. So yeah, okay, back to the reading. So in the next in the rest of the year, you are definitely going to find the people or opportunities you are missing. They will be coming towards you, and I still feel like you will be a little confused ahead also. Like, what is it that you really want? Because you have many ideas, you have many thoughts, you have many desires. So friends, the best thing you need to do right now is to shortlist what you really want, because you have too many dreams. Like, you want home, but you want also to be successful in a marriage. But you want a big huge career, but at the same time you want a very, very passionate marriage also. I mean, both can work, but both at the same time can be very, very challenging. Or you want work, job, fame, everything. So there are conflicting desires within you, and in the rest of the year, you will definitely find relief and more clarity on what you need to do, more clarity on what are your most important dreams, and also the things which are missing from your life right now. That will be coming. Those opportunities, lost opportunities, second chances will be coming. People who were resisting or walking away from your love, they will be coming towards you. Let us see what else. Four of Pentacles. Yes, I feel some of you are having definitely a lot of financial worries right now. So your finances will be resolved. Financial worries will be resolved. Your finances will improve, and you will definitely be putting money into houses, property, investments, and building your farms or villages, building a home, renovations. You're definitely not spending your money on anything else. You're spending money or like on education for future, or for learning something, or you are investing money in like home, in properties. So you are definitely using money well in the future, and money is coming, friends. You are definitely, some of you are worried about money, but money will be coming, friends, so don't worry. Let us see what else. Six of Cups. So I do feel that lost friendships, people you felt that you have lost, they will be coming towards you. I do feel a soulmate who was resistive, a lover, ex-husband, wife, or a twin flame, somebody who was resisting your love, that person will be coming towards you. I also feel some of you may be waiting for the past person, but you may actually get a new person in the coming few months. So please be careful, that's why I'm telling you, you want too many things. Like, you want the past lover, you want a new lover. So this is like conflicting, so the universe is like, what am I supposed to do for you? Maybe I should give you everything. So yes, there will be choices coming for you in love also. Some of you, for some of you, the past person will return, or a deep new soulmate connection is coming for you. And this person is somebody whom you can trust, you can count upon. They are coming from your past life. You have shared some past life contracts or some past lives with that person. And yes, this person and you will take your love life ahead. I do feel that this person is somebody who comes from a different city or country or different religion, or they could be from a different background, social background, or like work background is really different from what is yours. So this person has a difference than you in upbringing, but that will help your love life, and it will expand your love life, it will expand your relationship also. For some of you, like 40% of you, this is a past person coming back, things coming back on track, second chances. This person and you will reunite, love will open up in the coming days, and you will also find end of worries in your relationship, because I feel your relationships are a battleground right now. There is a lot of competition, there is a lot of fight. It feels like you have to fight for, or you are competing for somebody's time, somebody's love. You won't have to do that, friends, in the future. Yes, your person will definitely take time for you, or I feel for most of you a new person is coming, friends, and but you want somebody from the past. I don't know why. So you will have to choose, friends, you will have to decide what you want to do. Keep waiting or say yes to the new person. And another thing is, right now people are not valuing you. You have to compete for somebody's love. You don't have to do that in the coming times. In the rest of the year, love will be effortless. People will come to you on their own, and communications will be more harmonious and fruitful. I also feel, friends, in the rest of the year, some of you may be shifting, relocating. Some of you may actually leave a city, country, or leave the current home you are in and move to some other city or country. And this will be a good move. It will also bring love. It will also bring happiness into your life. Also, someone may shift in your city, country, near you, and that, or in your office or in your colleges, and that will bring love to you and harmony in your life. The Hermit, yes, I do feel that you will be attracting a very very mature person, someone who is trustworthy, someone who is a healer, someone who is a soulmate, a deep wise person. A true soulful connection is coming towards you. I also feel, friends, people who have not been in touch with you, from long lost friends, long lost relatives, like people who were like, you were very close to at one point of time, you dated them or you were in love, but you then lost contact. Those people are coming back. But it feels like more like a friendship rather than love for most of you. It feels like a friend is coming back, a reunion with a friendship, with a friend, or with a past lover. Like there was a, maybe you were best friends, but you had a fight, you had a falling out. That person is coming back, and there will be more happiness between you and them. Ten of Pentacles, yes, for some of you marriage is very very important. For some of you, if your marriage is going through issues, that will heal. So good news, friends, your marriage will become peaceful, happy, and harmonious in the rest of the year ahead, and your partner will definitely give you more time, more attention, and more passion. Yes. Also, friends, this is if you are single, chances of meeting somebody with a long term potential, long term commitment are very very high. That is why I'm telling you to decide what you really want. You can have the past person, they will try to reach out, but I think some of you want future commitment, marriage, and it will happen. I do feel some of you will actually get married in the rest of the 2021, and some of you are looking for the marriage partner, commitment, and it is coming. It will happen for you. You will find somebody who will commit to you. And the King of Swords, yes, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. I do feel that you will be attracting an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or someone who is honest, trustworthy, and someone very expressive, someone who is very clear and express their emotions, express their love to you easily, and also they value you. So, very fair, very loving, and a balanced relationship is coming towards you. Another thing is that the rest of the year you will be very clear, friends, what you want and what you don't want, and that will really sort out your problems in life. Also, I do see a promotion happening for some of you, like a promotion is coming for you, or if you were, I do see you are going through certain problems, whether it is legal issues or some work competition is there, jealousy is there, you will come out of it, friends, and victoriously. So don't worry, your focus will be very very sharp in the coming months ahead, and you will be very clear how to achieve. You will be a go getter in your in the rest of the 2021. You will go after your dreams, you will achieve them. You will also be very easily, people will see that you are a leader. You will have no doubts about it. In interviews, in your job, in your love life, you will be leading, you will be shining, people will respect you. And look at that, the Hanged Man. Yes, things which are slowing you down right now, things which are stuck, those things will be resolved, friends. So don't worry. The next few months will bring you future growth. It will also bring you things you were missing out. And I do feel that, like some of you, you had been waiting for love or money to come your way, or a job to come, and that will come, friends, in the next 6 months for you. So do not worry. Things will move ahead. It's just that you have to focus right now, and you have to be strong and patient right now. So keep patience, keep your patience. And let's see, expectations. Yes, your expectations are going to be completely fulfilled in the next 6 months. But I think like you are being a bit over ambitious, like you want everything, but that can lead to a confusion. Like you want job number A, but you also want a job which is in supposedly like UK. But you want a job A, which where you get a lot of fame, but you want also a job in UK. But that can be a conflicting thing. Like you can have fame where you are, but you can't at the same time have fame in UK. So be try be practical about what you want to achieve in the next 6 months, because you can achieve anything you want, but you have to be a little practical as well as shortlist what is the most important things you want to achieve. Community number 39, yes, most of you are going to find new friendships, new people, supportive connections are coming for you. Some of you will actually find a life partner, a soulmate of yours, who will commit to you for marriage. So all those, you are connecting with your soul tribe, your soul family. Let us see what else. Woman holding a heart. Yes, friends, number 44. I do see that love is coming your way. And not just love. If you are a student and you feel very disconnected, like with your studies, you feel like you don't enjoy your work, your studies, your passions, you will fall in love with all those things. So, next 6 months are wonderful for you. You will fall in love, and it will be easier for you to express your emotions. And some of you may be actually, you are crushed for somebody. Someone has a crush on you, and that person will tell you, in the coming months. And I feel this person, you will actually like this person when they say and express their feelings. You will be like, oh wow, I like you, I like the way you are. So it's exciting because this person has a crush on you, or you may have a crush on somebody and they will say yes to you. So interesting. And look at that, door to money. So money is coming for you, friends. Yes, friends. And not just money, it feels like in the next 6 months you will have more clarity about what you want to achieve in your work and career and studies. You will also be very practical about what you can achieve and what you can put off to another year to achieve, or another month to achieve. You will be very very clear. Also, you will have a lot of money coming your way because you are working very hard. So the money that's not coming now, that will be coming your way. So that's amazing. Let's see what else will happen. Travel, yes, I do see some of you could be traveling another city or country, going on a holiday, going on a trip. Some of you could be actually relocating, shifting homes or houses. I do see that some of you are going to leave, sell a property or buy a new property, build your own homes, moving into your own house for the first time or something like that. What else will happen in the rest of the year 2021 for our viewers? Honoring the path, yes friends, some of you are definitely going to start a new hobby that is your life purpose. So I you can order your personal life purpose readings, because many people, their life purposes are actually changing. So if you feel that's you, it would be a perfect time to go for it, because it's very detailed. And yes, I do see some of you could be actually getting famous also in the next few months. Some of you could be shining at your work, which you are right now not, of course, because there is jealousy at your work, there is competition, so people are not noticing your how amazing you are. But you will have fame in your work. Some of you could actually be getting into pageants, Miss Universe or something like that, Mrs. Miss or Mr. Mrs. Mr. or Mr. Universe or something like that. I do see you will be shining bright in the coming months. You will be also going more public, getting comfortable with public fame, with more I don't know how to say, some of you are introverts, I feel, friends. But you will be okay with being with people around you, sharing yourself. Teacher, yes, I do feel some of you are going to attract a very very important spiritual mentor into your life. Another message is, some of you are going to understand why things were waiting or slow or stuck in your life, and that will change your life. You will understand why something is slow or stuck, some situation, and that will be the key to its moving forward. I also feel some of you could actually start teaching in the future, becoming masters of your subject, your art, your creativity. And yes, I do feel that collaborations or joint partnerships, whether it professional or personal, are coming for you. So get ready. Let's see the advice and then the extra cards. Honesty and communication. So yes, that's the advice for you. You need to be clear, friends. You need to be honest with yourself. Do you want everything, or do you want the best things in your life? Do you want all your dreams to come right now, or do you want the most important dreams, the one that you really truly need to come true now? So that is the honesty. Be honest with yourself. Also, a lot of communications are coming from people, from the universe, from your lover, your friends. So say yes to communications. It feels like you guys are right now introverts or going through a phase where you don't feel like talking to a lot of people, you feel disconnected from people or misunderstood by people. That will heal, friends. Try to communicate. New ways of communications will also open for you. So let's see some charms. The rest of the year. All right, the light bulb. So yes, friends, the breakthrough is coming for you. A new idea, a new relationship, or whatever you were, whatever was missing from your life, that is going to come. And look at that, the detective. So yeah, you are looking for something, friends. Maybe some of you are looking for love or marriages or money. That is coming. And I also feel detective is like you becoming famous. Detectives discover something. So you discovering fame, you discovering a passion, a new hobby, a new career, a new promotion, or also you discovering something, a person, a brand new connection. And parrot, yes, I do see beauty and health coming to you, happiness, glow coming to you, friends. You getting working on your health also, so that will be good in the future. And again, parrots are again very social. So a lot of social people, a lot of support from people around you, a lot of fame is coming, public sector work. And look at that, grapes, fulfillment, friends. Money is coming your way, and also passionate relationships are coming your way, friends. So amazing. Your rest of the year sounds great. You just need to keep certain things in mind, like dream, be practical, and all those kind of things. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So, friends, for those who chose option number two, let us see how the rest of the year 2021 will be for you, the rest of the months. Ace of Cups, oh my god. So, emotional fulfillment, satisfaction, love, happiness, and joy is coming for you, friends. Congratulations, well done. What a choice. Let us see, we're gonna look into detail now. These are your oracle messages and advice. We're gonna look at them shortly. These are your charms. Let us see, friends, how the rest of the year will be for you. Oh wow, right now, friends, right now you're not feeling a bit, you're not feeling happy with the way the year is going. You are really bored of the year. You're feeling like, nah, nothing much is happening. I'm bored. This is like I'm waiting, waiting, waiting. Nothing is really happening. Also, you're feeling lethargy right now. Like you're feeling a lack of passion. Like love, you're like, nah, I don't want love. Money, nah, I don't want money. So there is this lack of so there is this certain lack of ambition or certain lack of, like, a lethargy. You're feeling a bit lethargic, a bit lazy about your life. You're like, okay, life is going, so what can I do? Also, you're taking some time to rest right now. Possibly you were working very hard all through the year. It's been a challenging year for all of us. So friends, right now this is your energy. You are waiting, you are taking your time. Some of you may also be taking a break from social media, or you want a holiday. You are looking for some vacation, or you're looking for a trip. Like, oh, you're dreaming of a holiday. Like, oh, what if I can just go and celebrate, or if I can just go and have like a vacation, it would be perfect. So some of you are actually dreaming of holidays, of having a peaceful life, no worries, no cares, Hakuna Matata. I'd keep getting that song, Hakuna Matata. So you should listen to that song. I think it will help you. So that's your current energy, and also a lack of ambition. Like you are like, nah. I feel like, nah. No, I don't want to do anything. This is not what excites me. I don't know what excites me. So that kind of a lazy kind, it's not bad. It's just a phase, friends. We have, even I feel sometimes like, you may not believe it because I keep posting every day, but I do have those phases where I'm like, nah, I don't want to post today. Let's do it tomorrow. We all have those days, sometimes. And you also are looking like, oh my god, give me some break. I need a vacation. Some of you are actually working very, very hard. So you are like, please, God, give us a vacation, give us a holiday, give us a Sunday off, give us a weekend off, give us a holiday, make us go out, party. Some of you are actually looking for a party also right now. Yes, friends, I do feel that most of you are working more in the night rather than in the daytime, and that's affecting your sleep patterns, your mood. Your moods are swinging because of that. Some of you could also be having some sort of a health problem right now, like high BP, anxiety, or maybe someone around you is a little not so good in their health, and that's a cause of worry for you. Like, why is this person not getting better? And maybe their ill health is affecting you, friends. I also feel that some of you are feeling very restricted right now. Like you can't change your destiny, it's not in your hand. You can't leave this job, it's not in your hand. Or you can't get a new job, it's not in your hand. So you feel very restricted right now in some way. But this is the current energy, friends. Let's see how the rest of the year will be now. Oh wow, so congratulations. Big changes are coming for you, friends. The reason things are going slowly or frustratingly is because a shakeup is coming into your life in the next few months. Very well done. Congratulations. Things are going to shake up, and boring things or things where you feel frustrated or feel like you don't have any energy, those things are going to change, friends. A shakeup is coming your way. And this will be a very sudden event. A sudden surprise is coming your way in the next few months. Some of you may actually get a new job letter out of the blue. Some of you may actually leave the current job out of the blue in a day, in like you are like, nope, I'm done, it's time to move on, and boom, you find a new job, you land up in an excellent place. So some sudden changes, some sudden positive news will happen for you, some shakeups will happen, and that is necessary. And this will bring some excitement into your life. This will also bring some sort of a new energy, and new clarity in your life. So this is a good energy that's coming your way. Let's see what else. Yes, I do feel that yes, Three of Pentacles, you are going to find people, a lot of support friends in the coming months. So you, if you are right now feeling like, oh, I don't have this, I don't have that, nobody is helping me, you feel powerless, but no, in the coming few months you will have a lot of support friends. Not only support from your people around you or work around people at work, you will also have a lot of support from the universe. The universe will very quickly manifest what you want. The universe will also give you money, like you are working hard but money is not coming or satisfaction is not there, but you will have it in the coming months. You will achieve a satisfaction, a new job, or some better. Some of you may actually start their own businesses or something. You may leave a job, you may leave a business, start go back to colleges or universities. So some changes you will change your life, friends, and you are going to do it yourself. You will take this initiative, like yes, I'm going to change my life, I'm going to change my looks. So some of you are definitely working very, very importantly on these things, on shake-ups. You are gonna shake up your life. It's like shake it baby, shake it baby. Oh, yes, friends. And this will be a good thing because this will bring you close to people that can help you, good colleagues, good jobs that you can enjoy. Also, some of you could actually be getting promoted out of the blue. You may get promoted. Some of you may actually like you have sudden idea like, oh, I should try this, I can try this, I can be a chef, oh, let's try it, and boom, you become a chef and you start enjoying, and you suddenly are like, let's do this. So some enlightenment is gonna happen. It's gonna be a life changing and enlightenment and awakening for you. So well done, friends. Money is also coming. Queen of Cups, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person will be important for you, friends, in the future. I do see that right now you are not feeling like inspired to take action, but in the future you will have a lot of inspiration, a lot of, like a sense of fulfillment, a lot of like, yeah, I'm enjoying my life, I'm happy, I'm relaxed, I have all everything I need, so I'm very pleased with myself. That is how you will feel. I also feel that a mature, loving connection is coming your way, a mature person, or some, not a mature, like mature in the sense like somebody who doesn't ghost, who doesn't, not a toxic person, a very balanced, a very caring, loving person is coming your way. Some of you are also having issues with your mother in law right now, or with you yourself are trying to be a mother, and there are certain issues there, so you will be healing those issues related with your mother-in-laws, or your own mother energy. You will be healing that, and you will be becoming more connected with your feminine side, friends. Also, friends, I do see a very mature, loving connection coming towards you, and this person will share their love, their care for you. And Queen of Rods, yes, I do feel some of you will actually be having two lovers and choices in love. So you will be spoiled by the universe. You will have two lovers or choices in love, an Aries, Leo, Sag, and a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel for some of you there will be like this very passionate connection, which is lustful, which is exciting, but at the same time you don't know, you find it a bit toxic. Like, there is lust, there is love, there is excitement, but there is no emotion in that. And on the other hand, you will attract a person which is very emotional, very sweet, fun to hang out with, always looking after you, caring for you, being there for you. So you will have to decide, which one to choose from, which one you will choose. King of Swords. Yes, I do feel an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will also be important. I do feel some of you will be. Oh my god, there is an ex friend. There is somebody you will have. I don't know how to say this. Really don't know how to say this in the correct way, actually. So, friends, there is somebody from the past you had a fight or a breakup with. That person will definitely try to reach out to you. Why? Or you will try to reach out to that person from the past. And I don't know why you guys want to reach out to each other, but you will be. Some of your exes will be coming and reuniting with you or messaging you, and you also might message or think of an ex in the future. And there might be healing happening in this connection. Yes, I will be taking a clarifier here because I want to know what's happening in this connection. What is happening in the past connection? What will happen? Optimism, yes. I do feel that somebody from the past who was a bit toxic or you had a major fight with, that person is coming back. You guys will reunite and be optimistic because you guys can again become friends, a good friend, to each other, a good support system to each other. So keep an open mind. Another thing is you will have other choices in love also. So a sweet connection is definitely coming your way. And right now, if you are having problems of third party in your love life, that will be resolved, friends. So congratulations, well done. In the rest of the year ahead, third parties will resolve. If other people or other factors were affecting your love life or marriages, you can stay positive because those things will be resolved. A shake-up will happen that will remove those things from your life, those blocks. Ace of Pentacles. Yes, I see celebrations coming your way, friends. So get excited. You will have some reasons to celebrate in the future. I see a new job opportunity or more more money. Sorry, friends, more money is coming your way in the future. I also feel some of you could actually start working on your businesses or your like you could be a student but you will start teaching or earning together. Like you are start like you are an IT person, you are learning IT but you are also working part time at a job and you are earning money also. So a lot of money is coming, a new start, a breakthrough is coming for you, but it will happen through a shakeup. So that you need to keep in mind. Some shakeups may happen, some sudden events may happen, some sudden information will come in. Like suddenly you may decide like, nope, I want to change my life and I will. So that is how it will be. But it will all lead to some excitement. It will all lead to secure future and positivity. And Ace of Rods, yes, the lack of inspiration you are feeling right now, friends, that is gonna happen to you. That you're gonna change in the future. You will be excited, you will be happy, and you will feel very connected to whatever you are doing, whether it is in love, work, or as you even if you are a student, you will feel very passionate about your person, about your job, about your hobbies. And yes, your life will definitely be moving forward. I see some of you will be spending holidays with your person, moving in with them, or shifting in with them, like like traveling often to meet each other face to face. I also see some of you will be spending the holidays together with your family. You will be able to meet your family. Some of you could be actually shifting closer to your mother, like living close by to her, or to your mother-in-law, or to your family. Some of you could actually be shifting closer to where your family lives, so that will be a great great thing for you. I also see celebrations coming your way in the future. So, some of you may be having your birthdays, or some of you could be celebrating a new love or a victory in your job or career. So I see basically you will have a shake up, friends. You are going to shake things up. You are just tired of the way things are in your life. You're just no longer happy with this dull life. So you're gonna bring your own excitement. You're gonna create your own magic. Trust me. Official person. Wow, number 22. So some of you could be actually going for some official grades, like exams, and you will, if you are already preparing, you will be clearing those exams for some government jobs or something like that. Or you could be attracting a very powerful person, a very powerful lover who is a someone who works in administration or is a cop or an army guy or something like that. Poverty, yes, I do feel like you're gonna change this thing. The your relationship with lack, right now you feel you are stuck, you don't have enough, you feel lack. You're gonna change that, friends. You're gonna change that. You will feel like, yes, lack of inspiration, lack of excitement, you're gonna change it. And you're gonna do things on your own. You're like, I'm gonna change everything. I'm gonna just play the dice this time. Change your looks, change your hair colors, getting a new dress or something. Some of you may actually be shifting, relocating, or changing jobs also, in between jobs, shifting jobs. But all this will actually lead to a new start, and you will be very excited about it. So let us see what else. The Magician and the Mirror. Yes, I do feel a healing will be happening in the coming months for you. A healing will happen between your mind and your heart. You will be able to find balance between them. Financial constraints. Yes, I do feel some of you may actually feel that money is coming in slowly, or you are earning less than what you were earning earlier in the past. But It will not matter to you, because friends, Ace of Cups, you are emotionally very happy wherever you are, with your job, with your career, with your love life. You will be feeling very happy, you will have contentment, and you will have lesser money, but you will not be bothered about it. You'll be like, yes, I'm fine with it. I the money that I'm having is enough for me. It brings food, it pays my bills, I'm happy. But yes, it may be lesser than what you were earning in the past, but the excitement, the emotional happiness will be there. Family and friends, this is extra messages. Family, friends and guides, yes, people are very, very, very important in the next few months for you, friends. You will be connecting with your family, healing family relationships, new friendships, and new mentors or spiritual guides are coming for you. Let us see some advice. Ask and you shall receive. So friends, it is the best thing right now you can do is ask, and you will definitely going to receive whatever you are asking. I feel some of you are going to write a book also, or some of you are going to like start a channel that will be very popular, or start some like chef or pastry making or something, some sort of a thing you will start which will be very successful. So let us see what else will happen. Oh wow. So some of you could be actually taking science. Maybe you're very young, so you're confused whatever you need to take. Or some of you could be going back to your colleges and studying science again, or getting like a job in, science, technology, media, entertainment, all those areas. Another thing, you're gonna shake up. This this reminds of you. What are those conical flask? Yeah, right. Conical flask. Yeah, I have a science background, friends. I'm actually a scientist. I'm not kidding. I'm serious, friends. I really am, and that's something. That's let's not talk about me. Let's focus on you. So you're gonna shake up things. Yes, you're gonna shake up, and this also reminds me of chemistry. So someone with a very strong chemistry or attraction towards you is coming. And clouds, yes, I feel some of you could be traveling, or you could be having a lot of thoughts, new ideas. Like you could be working on new things like environment, books. You could be writing a book. You could be also feeling very happy up in the clouds. And look at that, the umbrella and the child. So some of you could actually be having a childbirth or celebrating a baby in the future. You could be having that. Some of you could actually be having a partner which is very romantic, a new person, very loving, caring partnership. And doctor, yes, your health is definitely going to improve. Some of you are actually going to become doctors, friends, because there are two charms of science here, medicine. So you are, yes, if your aim is to become a doctor, yes, you are going to achieve that. And you'll be very successful also as a doctor. Another thing is you could be attracting a healer, a doctor in your life. Another message is your health is going to shine, shine, shine. And that's how it is, friends. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, make us shine too. Like and share, join us on Insta. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, let us see how the rest of the year will be for you. And you chose the Ace of Pentacles. So wow, so there is definitely something very stable, very secure, and very, very solid coming your way, like a new dawn, or a new prosperity, a new sense of relief, or new sense of like, yes, a new home, a new house. All those things are coming here, friends, coming for you next in this year. These are your oracle messages and advice, and your charms. We'll look at them shortly. So let us see what's happening currently for you. Oh God. Friends, I do feel some of you are going through certain endings right now, and those endings have been really, really tough. You are definitely you have ended a relationship, or some jobs, or some partnerships have ended. Some of you may actually be changing or ending the way you look, the way you feel about yourself. Some major transformation is happening in your life right now, and you may also be feeling very emotional about these losses or these transformations and changes. Some of you are also feeling very right now disconnected from your friends and family, like they don't understand you, you don't understand them. Friends, I feel you are also missing somebody you have lost, so you are recovering from a heartache, from the loss of somebody. So you're missing them, you're also very much in love with that person or with that thing. And this is a very, very, you're changing, friends. You're going through changes. And some of these changes may feel like they are out of your control. Some things are happening on their own right now. And you feel like, why is this happening? There is, you are very protected, friends. Do not worry. I know this is a challenging, or maybe you have gone through a lot of change in this year, a lot of changes, lot of losses, but do not worry, friends. Try to focus on the rose, try to focus on the peace, find beauty in losses, try to see the silver lining in some area of your life. Try to see the good in it. I know it's tough right now, but please do that, because I feel good things are coming for you, friends. Right now you feel like you can't move forward. There is nothing beyond this loss that you just cannot forget it, you just can't overcome it. Also, some of you need to change certain things, like you are trying to transform yourself, like you want a new, you want to be a visionary, or like you want to be a singer, a musician, but you are like, how do I say this, how do I come out? I also feel some of you are actually going through some important transformation changes, and you feel trapped. You feel like maybe you are having some health issues, like you can't change the situation you are having, or you are going through a breakup, a divorce issue in the past, or maybe now, and you feel like this has trapped me. This is the situation that's blocking good things from coming into my life. No, darling, that's not stopping you. It is just that you need, this energy will shift, friends. We'll talk about it. There is a shift coming for you, because 8 is the number of destiny. 8 is also the number of karma, good things, your patience, your hard work coming back to you. So do not worry. And 5 of swords, yes, friends, you're definitely feeling very isolated. You are feeling that people have hurted you, they have left you, they have caused you pain. There is no hope in life. Things will not get better. Your future is boom, doom, gloom, and nothing good is coming. So I'm sorry if this is not your current energy. Maybe you should try another pile. But there is right now a feeling of alone, a sense of like you feel alone right now. You feel trapped in some way, and you are also, you have lost something and you still feel affected by that, like you have lost everything. What is mine? These are big questions, big philosophical questions are on your mind, but let's see how the next months will be. Friends, this is, I definitely tell you, the next few months are going to be magical for you, and there will be a massive change in what is you are feeling right now and what you will feel in the coming few days. In the coming months, you will feel like, yes, you have certain power, your wishes will manifest very quickly. You will also find that whatever you lost is coming back in new ways, like you lost a job, but you found a better one, or you lost money, but money is coming to you. You are finding clients, you are finding some business, you are finding some jobs which pay you, some odd jobs, some past-time jobs. But you know what? Things are looking up for you. There is a massive change from what you are feeling right now and how you will feel in the next 6 months. Another thing is, friends, what if you are feeling blocked, like you are trying to manifest some desires or some wishes or some goals, but it is not happening? Do not give up, because the next 6 months are going to change and be very positive for you. They are going to bring you what you really desire or what you are trying to manifest, like a new relationship, a marriage, a new job, more supportive people, more people who can understand you. Yes, you are going to manifest that. Some of you are also going to manifest a twin flame union. Yes, it is going to happen. Justice, yes, friends, legal victories are coming for you. Yes, 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 friends. Some you have been through a tough time, tough tense years, tough life path up till now. Everything has been tough your side, friends. I know, I don't know what is happening, but whatever is happening, I know, friends, in your life, it has been tough for you. But now in the next 6 months, you will get your rewards, you will get your justice, you will get your patience paid off, your hard work paid off. Whatever you had been through, it will now be worth it, friends. Some of you will be getting a legal victory, some of you will be actually getting an inheritance from a family member, or getting money that was owed to you, your money that was denied, it is coming back. Also, I feel some of you could actually start learning law, or you could be start dating or marrying. You will marry somebody who is from a law or from legal systems, or like from a medical practitioner or a legal person, yeah, from justice and what do you say, law or commerce side. So that person is coming towards you. I also feel the balance, you had life has been really out of balance for you, friends. So the balance will be coming back. Look, three major arcanas already. So something big is happening for you, and you will achieve a bigger reward also for it, friends. When the loss is big, the reward is also bigger. So trust, friends, trust. And I feel that maybe if you are a student, you were not able to clear an exam or clear, achieve a goal or something that you wanted from a long time. But now the next 6 months will turn your life. You will be able to achieve it easily and justifiably. I also feel, friends, people who hurted you, they are going to face their karma. And I don't know, some of you actually need to hear this, because like maybe you are having a legal issue and they are not at all listening to you, they are not cooperating. So there will be this karma and of balancing. So things will go in your favor, legal issues will be in your favor, authorities will be in your favor. And also, whatever your hard work, whatever you lost, it will be given to you in a new and a better form. So don't worry, fool. Yes, a powerful new start is coming for you, friends. Not just a new start, a new way of life, a new way of thinking, a new way of dressing, a new, it is like, whatever was trapping you, you will feel like, yeah, it's gone. Now you're a free bird. You can fly anywhere. The sky is your horizons. You can take anywhere. You can be any person, you can do anything in life. You will feel motivated. You will feel optimistic. And yes, I do feel some of you were not able to travel, or some of you were not able to be adventurous in life because you had a lot of challenges. Now you will have an adventure. Maybe you will go on a solo trip for the first time. Maybe you will start you will start jogging, yoga, or you will start something that was earlier just a fantasy for you. You will start some new adventures and it will change your life. You will feel very excited, and it is something you are manifesting. The Emperor, yes, friends, some of you are definitely going to take charge of your destiny. You are going to become leaders. Yes, you are going to shine at your work. You are going to get even more fame, even more promotion, even more success at your work and career. In your love life, I feel, friends, you are attracting someone who is a leader, someone very powerful, and I feel in the past you attracted a lot of bossy people who are very selfish or egoistic, narcissist kind of people. But now justice will be done. You will have a person who will be protective of you, who will be a leader, and who will take you as an equal person, as an equal leader, and who will treat you fairly. So you will find this partnership very balanced, and it will be a new connection. You are manifesting this person, and there will be a lot of love and emotions. This will be a very romantic connection for some of you. I do feel that, yes, for 10-20% of you, this is a past person who was running away. You had a breakup with them. This person maybe was married, or they were trying to find make their career better. They were going through some challenges. This person your person from the past was going through challenges, but in the next 6 months you guys will come closer. There will be more romance, there will be more love, there will be more deep heart to heart sharing. But friends, it is 50-50. For some of you, this is a new person, but 50% of you, this is a past person coming back, things falling back in justice now. Three of Cups, celebrations are coming for you, friends. Congratulations. So many of you will definitely be celebrating a success at your work, a promotion at your work, a legal victory. Some of you could, in your family, there might be a wedding. like your friends are getting married or you yourself are getting married. Another thing is some of you are going to buy a house. I see a house with your property or a property with your name written on it. So yes, you are going to buy a house, invest in a house, or start a business with friends. So congratulations, celebrations are coming your way. Knight of Cups, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you. I do feel that, right now your emotions are heavy, but in the future you will feel light, you will feel happy, you will feel like yes, you can enjoy life. You don't always have to work, you don't always have to take care of family and other things. You can enjoy, you can relax, you can have a good time, and you will feel like all your burdens, your endings, your heart has healed in some way. And you will find that there are people who care for you and protect you. And the Page of Swords, yes, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is also important. I feel like, some of you, good news is coming. Some important messages will be coming your way. Like if you are a student, you will be getting a message like, there is a new project coming your way. So would you like to do that? So, that those kind of exciting messages are coming. And I feel this work is something related to a global company or a global business. So you will be very excited with this opportunity. What is this about? Let's see. A loving man. Oh my God. So, yeah, I do feel that, supportive connections at your work are also coming. Colleagues who will help you, support you, and understand you. And also, maybe love, you will find love at where you work or study. And planning, sorry, friends. Planning and action. I feel some of you are sick actually, going through some cold or some sort of a sickness right now. That will heal, friends. Yes, that will heal. And you will be really planning your future in the next 6 months. You will be planning a major house move, house shift, buying your property. You will have a lot of goals. Right now you are going through a tough time, but in the next 6 months you will be busy. You will be working a lot. You will be feeling very positive, meeting a lot of friends. You will also be planning your next moves for your next year. And yes, some of you are definitely having a great achievement. Look at that. You are going to achieve something big. And you deserve this, friends, because you have been through a very, very tough battle. I don't know what it is that you are going. I do know what you are going through, but it is different for all of you, right? So whatever you have lost, friends, you will achieve something better, and that will be a great achievement for you. So do not worry. I know this is a tough time for you, but it is not a time to worry. This is a time to plan and act for your future. Judication, oh my God. So yes, some of you are definitely going to get a legal license for, for some businesses or some house or driving licenses. Some of you will actually be getting married also in the coming times. You might go for a court marriage or something, or you might marry a person from law or commerce or business. Another thing I'm feeling is your legal issues will be resolved, friends. Yes, wealth is coming. 11, 11, friends. A lot of abundance and money is coming your way. Also, whatever you want to achieve, your manifestations will work more quickly in the future. And look at that appreciation. So right now people are not appreciating you. Right now nobody is even understanding you. You are doing all the work. There is no one to help you right now. But in the future, people will appreciate you. And even those who are right now rejecting you, they will appreciate you. And they will apologize. Caring connections. Yes, I feel supportive friends are coming your way. A loving marriage is coming your way. If your marriage was not going well, friends, 14, 15, you can your partner, your husband and wife will show a change in them, more positive approach towards you. Transformation, yes, friends, big changes are coming for you. You have the Scorpio energy of death, and look here, transformation. Yes, you are changing, friends. Your life is changing. Your ideas, your thoughts, your likes and dislikes are changing. Spiritually and emotionally, you are awakening, and it is okay to not feel, you may feel strange about this change, but this will lead to great things ahead. So do not worry. And courage, yes, it is a time to stay strong, friends, and it is a time to stay positive and believe in your future. If you have lost a love or a marriage, you can count on finding a new love and marriage again. So do not worry, changes are happening. Let us see some advice for you. I just want to see what is this change about. What is this change really about? What is this transformation about? Commitment. Look at that. It's a very, very clear reading for you, friends. Some of you are going to find you will change your job and you will find a much, much better job, which will be actually something that you will achieve a lot of success, a lot of growth and achievement rewards there. For some of you, you are changing and growing so that a new marriage partnership or love commitment is coming your way. Big changes. What you have to be courageous about? Let's see that. You can do it, friends. You can achieve your dreams. Nothing can actually, you have to believe in yourself, friends. Even if you have lost at one point, do not worry. Try again. You will be very successful. So, in the future, in the next of the rest of the month, you are definitely going to achieve a milestone. Some of you will get married, some of you will get that degree, clear that college, or get that business idea moving, and you'll be super successful and super happy. So, let's see your advice now. Oh wow, blessings and abundance. So please rest assured that blessings are coming your way, and money and abundance and prosperity will be there for you, friends. So do not worry. I know it is like you are a little worried right now, but do not worry. Let's see now. Your charms. Oh. Oh my god, the cupcake. So, friends, time to celebrate, time to enjoy, support, love, romance. Those things are coming for you. Cupcake is also a celebration. Grapes, money is coming your way. Fertility is coming your way. Uh, Grapes are also about passion, sexy relationships coming your way. And look at that. The magic wands. You are watching Magic Wands Tarot, and here is a magic wand. I have never seen this actually on the dice. This is amazing. So, magical moments are coming your way. Your wishes are going to come true, friends. Do you need more confirmations? I'm trying to make you realize that all is well for you. Do you need any more confirmations? And cat, yes, friends, you are going to attract a lot of good luck. Cats are, like they are considered divine species. They are very protective also. So you are going to achieve a lot of protection, success, and limelight and fame. Woohoo! Pile number 3. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram. And friends, to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.